Welcome back to our channel. We're thrilled to have you with us. Today, we'll be discussing the exciting world of online business. Specifically, we'll be delving into affiliate marketing and why it's the best option for beginners. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or you're interested in starting your own business, affiliate marketing is a great way to get started. We'll be covering everything from how to choose the right products to promote, to how to build a successful online presence and everything in between. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest videos on this fascinating topic. Grab a seat, get cozy, and let's explore how you can kickstart your journey to success. Have you ever heard of affiliate marketing? If not, let me explain. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing strategy where you can earn a commission by promoting other companies' products or services. Essentially, you become a virtual salesperson for their products or services. The best part, you don't have to worry about managing inventory or dealing with customer service. All you have to do is promote the products and services through various channels, such as your website, blog, or social media platforms. If someone purchases through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a great way to earn extra income without having to deal with the hassles of traditional sales. Affiliate marketing is a powerful and versatile business model that offers numerous benefits to aspiring entrepreneurs. One of the key advantages of this approach is its flexibility and scalability. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant upfront investment and fixed overhead costs, affiliate marketing allows you to start with minimal expenses and gradually increase your income as you gain experience and build your audience. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its ability to adapt to your unique needs and preferences. You have the freedom to choose from a wide range of products or services that align with your interests and values and promote them to your audience in your voice and style. This means that you can create a business that truly reflects your personality and expertise, and build a loyal following of customers who appreciate your recommendations and trust your judgment. Another advantage of affiliate marketing is its scalability. As you become more successful and expand your reach, you can leverage your existing assets and resources to grow your business even further. This could involve creating new content, diversifying your product offerings, or partnering with other affiliates or businesses to reach new audiences and markets. In summary, affiliate marketing is a flexible and scalable business model that offers numerous benefits to anyone looking to start an online business. By leveraging your interests and expertise, and building a loyal following of customers, you can create a sustainable income stream and achieve financial freedom and independence. So, how can you get started in affiliate marketing? First off, find your niche, focus on a specific industry or product category that resonates with you. Next, research and select reputable affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions and support for their affiliates. Once you've chosen your niche and affiliate programs, it's time to create valuable content that attracts your target audience. Whether it's through blog posts, social media, or videos like this one, engaging content is key to driving traffic and conversions. Remember, building trust with your audience is crucial in affiliate marketing. Be authentic and transparent, and provide honest recommendations based on your personal experience with the products or services you promote. This will not only boost your credibility but also foster long-term relationships with your followers. Lastly, don't forget to track your performance using analytics tools provided by affiliate programs. Monitor your click-through rates, conversion rates, and earnings to identify what's working well and what needs improvement. By continuously optimizing your strategies, you can maximize your earning potential in the long run. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to kickstarting your journey in affiliate marketing as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check the links in the description below for more resources and updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable content on building a successful online business. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned.